guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So I am so excited to finally get my hands on one of them. I ordered two because I didn't get the third one because by the time I have to keep changing my shirt size because I kept selling out, then the whole thing was sold out. So I got two. I got the two lower ones. This is the smaller guy right here. This is the premium, and I do have the deluxe coming, which hopefully any day I will get that. But today I'm gonna show you what is inside of this one. You wanna see? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so let me just start out with how cute is this box right now? Look at the little ghosts that are all in there with his logo and the question marks. This is so cute. I think this is one of the cutest boxes that he's done. I love the fact that he did the little ghosts in there because this is for Halloween. So I removed my address from the top. Let's go ahead and dive in here and see. Now this one is the premium box. This was only $40. This was the smallest bundle that he had this time. He had three different ones. This one was $40. They had a $75 and $160. I tried to get them all, like I said, but just wasn't happening. It wasn't in my cards this time. So I just had to give up and be like, all right, fine, let me just settle for the two. So this is the first one. This has an $82 value and it's supposed to contain 4 items for $40 total. So that is what it looks like when you first open it up. And to give you an actual idea of what's inside, there we have it. So let me go ahead and see what these are. So here's it looks like a bullet style. And the green packaging, is that the summer collection? I'm not quite sure, but I believe his summer collection was all of this green. But there's the actual packaging. This is in the color glazed. And let's see what it looks like. There's that guy. That's so cute because it looks like a bullet. And, oh, alrighty. So there's like a goldish, metallic, champagne looking color. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it is just like a little shimmer. It's kind of like a gloss right there. Kind of like a gloss. Yeah, it's just like a really pretty metallic gloss. I like that. Ooh, I really like that. And I'm not into like really golds, but I actually do like that. Let's see if I can get that glare off. See? That's really pretty. I definitely like that. Even to put on a lip topper or to wear by itself, that's very pretty. Okay, so the next item in here is this right here. We have another lip product, and this is in the color Family Jewels. And it looks like that. So I'm really excited to see two normal looking colors so far, because you know, sometimes they can get a little crazy. Okay, so this is Family Jewels. That's what it looks like inside. And, well, hold on. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Okay, now that it's all shook up, boom. Whoa, that's like that's pretty though. It's like a brownish burnt. Let me put that on. That is really pretty. Okay, after that dried down, look how pretty. I love that color. It's like a good everyday color and especially good for the fall because of the darker, browner like tones to it. I like that. I wonder what'll happen if I put this over it. Let's see. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I can see on my mirror it added like a little metallic shine to it. Ooh, I like that color. What do you guys think? I like that. Okay, so the last one in here as far as lips go, there's one other product. This is Soul Sucker, and I believe this is the one that's exclusive just for this box, and he was not making any more. You're not gonna find this anywhere else. So that's really cool to have an exclusive item, and it's all in black, perfect for the Halloween. Again, this is for this Halloween box, and this is Soul Sucker. Kind of says suck your soul. Oh no, it's black. Look at that. What? It looks black, you guys. Really? I was thinking maybe he was gonna do like some funky colors, but we got some black. Looks like it's black with glitter, actually. That would look kind of, well, let's see. Let's see. Oh, wow. It's like a black, dark brown with a hint of glitter. Do I dare? Here we go. You ready? It's very patchy. Maybe I need to shake it more. It's like very, very patchy. Like not even like covering evenly. Let's see. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna say this, look at, it's like coming off. I mean, it's like coming off. I can't get it to like stay on. It's like chunking up. Like, I don't know, this formula, I don't know if it was rushed to get done like for this box, but I've tried several times and I cannot get it to stay on right. So let me just take this off because I'm eating glitter. Chunks of glitter. I mean, the black didn't scare me because I tried on that bright teal on the summer one, the Huntington Beach. I'm gonna put this one back on because this one I really like. Yeah, see? That one does not come off. So is this anything different? Like, it's a velour liquid lip, just like this one. And long lasting, extreme beauty, matte finish, cruelty free, vegan, instructions, shake for 5 seconds. I shook, obviously. Apply to bare lips, they were. Let dry for 60 seconds, I did, and let it even dry longer. Smile, ready for your close-up? I wasn't close-up ready because it was coming off. But I did try it. I can't say that I didn't. I did try it. It's just, I don't know what's up with this formula. If you've seen any other unboxings, did that happen if they got the black? If you got the black, did that happen to you? I don't know. Like, it's just chunky and it doesn't like stay very well. I'm not quite sure. So yeah, I would love to know if it's just, did I just get a bad batch, or is it just a bad batch in general? I don't know. What do you guys think? One item left in here, and it's in this little package. What did we get? Let's see. We got a mini break. We got an eyeshadow palette. We got an eyeshadow palette. What? Mini breaker palette. Is that what's in here? Are you serious right now? This was only $40. I think this is almost $30. I almost bought it because I don't own any of his eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, it is. I do not own any of his palettes whatsoever. And one time I almost bought this to try it out because it was smaller and it was more affordable. Because I think this alone is almost $30. Plus you get these other 3 lip products and this is only $40 for this box. Wow. Okay, so, oh my gosh, you guys, we've got an eyeshadow palette. Oh my goodness. I'm already gonna tell you, this is way better than the last few ones because we didn't get palettes in them. Oh my gosh. How pretty. That is gorgeous. I love those bright popping colors. Oh my gosh. Have you guys tried any of his shadows? I have never tried any of his shadows, and I hear they're pressed pigment, so they're a little different. So that was another thing that I was a little intimidated by because I'm like, what do I do? Let's see here. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So there's the entire palette. I'm so excited about this right here. It almost looks like one of his highlighters. Like, it is such a pretty color. That one's called Oral. So we have Double Scoop, Orange Crush, Foreplay, Oral, Purple Punch, Slice, Bubblegum, Bite Me, and Hot Fudge. So, and there is the mirror on the top. So that is the entire palette, you guys. What? Those are bright pigmented colors. Those are very bright colors. That is so cool. And I like that there's a combination of the mattes and the shimmers and the glitteries and the glistenings. Like, it has everything in there. And now that I've dipped my hands in there, but that is so pretty. I can't believe we got a palette. I'm so excited. So what did you guys think of this box, you guys? So we got this, which I think is really cool because it gives it a perfect little metallic little shining. This I love. I love this color right here. This was the Family Jewels. I love that one. This one, I'm not quite sure. I'm glad to have an exclusive, but it just didn't really work for me. I don't know why. I'm confused on that, but comment down below if you guys got this. Did the same thing happen to you? Because it just got all chunky and just came off. Like, I don't know. That's really weird. So this is everything that came in this small one, you guys. This was only $40 again, and it's supposed to have an $82 value. And I know for a fact that this is, I think it's like $28, $29, and these are about like $18 each. So we definitely got our money's worth for sure. Now, I don't know what I'm going to be getting now in the deluxe. I really, really wish I got the Supreme, but things happen. I even went back in to try to buy another set of the two smaller ones so then I can give away more items to you guys. And I filled my cart. It was there. As soon as I went to go to cart, a customer came in. I had to help the customer. When I came back, the deluxe one is sold out. They only had the smaller one. And I was like, well, I don't want to just do another one for $40 and pay another shipping on top of it. So I'm like, it's just not meant to be. It's not meant to be. It's not meant to be. So I left it with the two. His next one that comes out, I'm going to try my best to get all three of them, but it's not up to me. His website crashed. He even did a live saying that we were breaking his website. He said in a good way, but he's like, you guys just broke down my website because everybody wants his product. So what do you guys think about this? Now, again, I don't know what's going to be in my deluxe. So if we get another one of these, then I'm going to put that in a giveaway. The shirt's going to go in a giveaway because I had to get a size large because they kept running out of sizes as I was trying to order. So I will have a large size shirt definitely going in a giveaway. Again, if this is in there, then that will go in there as well. I don't know what's all going to be in there. So hopefully I receive that in the next few days. So if you guys want to stay tuned for that, because anything that is in there that's a duplicate from this will go in the giveaway with that shirt. So stay tuned for that because I will have a giveaway in my second one. So yeah, so that is everything that I have today. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate it if you just stick around and see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And you know that drill. Until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.